Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add CC inside Hostinger webmail. So how can you do it? Now first of all, head to this website called hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're at the home page, make sure to log in with your account, and on the left side you will see multiple options. So just go to this option called emails, and once you click on your the emails option, so you will see like interface like this, and you will see multiple emails that are associated with your account. So just select the email, and once you select the email, so you will see an interface like this one: compose, mail, contacts, settings, all these options. So from this, what you need to do is just select your email, click on compose, and from is basically your email, and to is basically the person that you want to send email to. And once you select to, and you will see an option like this one, plus button. So just click on this plus button, and once you click on plus button, you will see an option like copy. So inside this copy section, you can add many people as you want. You just need to add their email address, like one by one. Just add the email, click on the plus button again, add another email. So that is how you can add multiple emails, add CC inside your Hostinger web email, add the subject, add the body, and click on send. And after that, you will be able to send it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.